Hey everybody! I'm here today to talk to you about how often to change a furnace filter during a renovation. If you are under a renovation, if you are renovating a part of your house or the whole house or a major part of your house, you need to change your furnace filter much more frequently than you would regularly change it. For the most part, furnace filters should be changed about once every 3 months on average, depending on the filter and the furnace that you're using. But for the most part, once every 3 months is a definite average for the majority of furnaces and the majority of filters in the majority of areas. However, when you're doing a renovation, you should be changing it once a week. That's because things can get quite dusty. Now, here's the thing. If you're under a significantly dusty part of the renovation, demolition or sanding drywall mud, then you want to change it every few days, even twice a week, or even every 2 or 3, like even every 2 days at that point. And then even when you're doing regular renovations, like if you're installing wooden trim and stuff like that, you still want to change it once a week. You know, you're going to waste a little bit of extra money during the furnace filter changing part because you're spending more money on filters. However, it is entirely worth it. It will save your furnace. It will extend its life. I'm going to show you a furnace filter that I just changed. Now, I just changed this a week ago. Okay, so this was installed a week ago, and let me show you the dirty side. And I just changed it right now. It was white when I installed it, and now as you can see, it's quite discolored. And this was basically only during a little bit of the drywall sanding. We did about half the drywall sanding, the drywall mud sanding before, and this is only about half of it. So like I said, you know, it's well worth it because you're going to spend a little bit of extra money on filters, but you're going to save money on replacing your furnace. So with that being said, you know, when you're doing a renovation, I recommend that you change it at least once a week. And for the most part, most renovations are going to last 3 months, you know, let's say on the long end of things. So that's 12 weeks, 12 filters. They're not that expensive. And when you're looking at spending a lot of money on a renovation, let's say you're spending $100,000 or $80,000 or even $50,000 on a renovation, to spend a little bit of extra money on those extra furnace filters is well worth it. It is a good investment. I recommend that you add it on to the cost of your renovation. And while you're at it, I recommend that you add on a duct cleaning to the cost of your renovation as well, because you should definitely be cleaning your ducts after a renovation. So like I said, just incorporate it as part of the price of your reno. And that's it. That is how often to change your furnace filter during a renovation. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.